This is an introduction to Socket series. It's a library that we can use in order to communicate with each other on the clients, and it's faster than REST APIs, and it's more reliable when you want to create, for example, a mini game, or you want to create something and broadcast it to everyone on the server. And for example, you want to make a chatbot, or you want to move your character. When a client moves a character, it should send the data to the server that the character has been moved, and the server should tell everyone that the character is moving. And in this video, we're going to make a mini chatbot using Socket.io, which is a good package in Node.js that we can use in order to configure our server and client side. So in servers, we want to configure to when the users connect, show us, and when the users send a message, broadcast it to everyone else on the server that is connected. Okay, in here I have created a simple index HTML file. So for that matter, I have created a simple project boilerplate in Node.js. In the index HTML file, I get input ID, which is here, and a button to submit my message, and a form for submitting, and the messages will show up here. Nothing complicated here. And in the server, I'm serving that file to get rendered on an Express application. If you don't know what Express is, I'll make another video out of it. So what I want to do here is to tell, when I type hello in here and hit enter, I want to show the message here and any other browsers that I'm using, which is simulating other users that are connected to this server. Okay, first we need to install this package Socket.io. Then we're gonna set up our server. We're gonna import server from Socket.io. Then we wanna tell the Socket.io on connection. It acts like an event. When an event comes, when a new user connected to the server and to the socket, I want you to log this, a new user connected. Okay, let's move to the client. In client, I want to import the socket package. Create a global variable. And this should connect to the server. Does it refresh? Oh, the server is not serving yet. Node1 server.js. I can't see the... When I hit refresh, I can see a new user connected. And when I open another tab, let's duplicate it here, and another user will connect. So as long as I duplicate and open this file, a new user would connect. Okay. Now what I want to do is when I click submit in my form, I want the server to broadcast the message, the sent message in here to everyone else. For that matter, I'm gonna say form on submit, add event listener, submit, preventing default, and if input.value exists, I'm fetching input here. I want to socket.emit, new message, input.value. And I want to clear that out for the next message to send. And for the server, I want to receive that message and send it back to everyone else. Socket on new message, io.emit, new message, and send it. This message contains the data that this client is sending, which here is input value. And in the client, I want to whenever a message came in, I want to show it in here, okay? Socket on new message. You should get a callback function, which is const item document dot create element of list item dot text content should be message that we have received from server, and messages that append a child, which is this created element. Window dot scroll to the latest, the scroll height of this, and then we hit refresh. Let's see, it's working here. Just restarting the server just to make sure. And in here, I want to hit refresh again. A new user connected. Something is not found. I'm not having a very good feeling about this, but the moment of truth. Hello? No, it's nothing happening here. Okay, turns out it was my connection problem, probably. Let's check it out again. Hello? The moment of truth. And when we hit save, yep, it's working. And when we duplicate this page, I want to say something here, and I want to show it in here. If we open another browser, for example, like Edge, Microsoft Edge is working with code. Okay, in here, I want to say, is this working cross browser? And we see here it's working. Oh, perfection. What we can do with sockets are limitless. Tell me what do you want to do and we'll do it. I'll make a video out of it. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.